As a mom, I'm always looking for lunch ideas that my kids will actually eat. Cheese has been craving for this food for days. So whenever they call, all I do is just like answer. Guys, so I want to make a crunchy fried chips for my kids. That's what they're taking to school today. No need of too much explanation, so just watch as I do it. By the way, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you will get this video. But I'm posting it today. Today is Tuesday, right? This is Tuesday morning. It's 5 a.m. right now, sharp 5 a.m. I don't know what to my Samsung phone. This is salt. What? Cheese, yo. Baby, go. There's hot oil here. Carry him and go inside. Take a phone, put his cartoon or something. Baby, I'm coming, okay? Marcham, that is Hallelujah Challenge Day 8. Marcham. Jump Pampas. Jump Pampas. Jump Pampas. Is our gen on? Is our gen on?
Describe me as if it. May I begin to experience new mercies? Now raise your voice like a thunder loud. New mercies. I enter new mercies. You know what? A new status, new position, new ranks, new vision. No, I want you all to prophesy loud, loud. Prophesy loud. Open your mouth wide.
Not really.
Just take it too.
I told you I had a dream. Before I came, I always like to pray and sleep before I come so that I'm preparing spiritual together.
Yeah, very soon.
Into a next breaking financial harvest. Say the ideas, the strategies, the concepts, the connections that will lead to a net breaking financial harvest. I call them forth. I call them forth. I call them forth. I said that. But please always pray them at least once after we finish in the day. They are prophetic prayers. I had no plan to pray about financial harvest. It was from the dream I had.